Oh wow, y'all. Look at this mess, y'all. Just nasty, y'all. Laundry sitting for days, maybe even weeks, y'all. But some particular person live here, they made an assertion that maybe I should clean up this mess. And let me say it went something like
Hold
this.
up, bruh. Hold up. I be busy. Bruh, I be busy. I be busy, bro. Listen, I get to him when I get to him. I be busy. Hey y'all, this is me, Nita, over at A New You. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As always, you know how much I appreciate you guys. You know how much I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay abreast of all of the content that I put out. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So once again, guys, much love, thank you, and I appreciate you. But in today's video, guys, what I'm gonna be doing in here, which is my den, is I'll be refreshing and restyling this den because I got something I need to tell y'all. I kind of got in trouble, y'all. I got in trouble, y'all, by daddy. Let me tell y'all. Let me tell y'all this story. So the other day, the hubby came home, came on back in the den, kicked out the recliner, grabbed the remote, and he just happened to kind of glance over there at them clothes over there. And he said, hey, like, you know, when you gonna get to them clothes? They've been. My mouth dropped. Y'all would have thought I was possessed the way I turned my head. Hold up, bruh. Hold up. I be busy. Bruh, I be busy. I be busy, bruh. Listen. I get to him when I get to him. I be busy. Get to him. You know what, y'all? We play like that. But you can guarantee you, today is Friday. I'm doing this room on Friday, and I can guarantee you, when the hubby get home from work today, all those clothes are gonna be folded and put up. This room gonna be spotless, cause I ain't that crazy. I talk a lot of smack. But I know who the king of this castle is. You understand? So by the time bruh man get home today, and he gonna kick back, get that remote. And like I said, today is Friday. Normally he would have him a little drink, but he hasn't been drinking. He's on his little 6-month cleanse and intermittent fasting and all that good stuff. But I can guarantee you when he come home today, whoa! Did y'all hear that? That was thunder. I guess that's God trying to tell me, you better stop playing with that man. But anyway, y'all, let's get started with this video. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this den up for this man, fold these clothes up, and stay on my job. Sometimes, y'all, we just not able to get to everything all the time. It's only one of us. And we have sometimes a lot on our plates. And so some things are just not a priority all the time. And honestly, my husband is super understanding about that. And so he don't bother me. If it get done, it get done. If it don't, it don't. I get to it when I get to it because I'm not superwoman. But I can guarantee you, your house stay clean, you have food on the table, and all that other good stuff that comes along with being a wife. That okay, y'all know what I'm saying, right? But anyway, let's clean, because this thing gonna get rated R in a minute. But let's clean, y'all.
So yes, guys, I have not gotten to this den. It has been a build up buildup of dust, laundry, and decor pieces. So it's time. It's time.
I'm going to be using the Lysol cleaner for multi-surface cleaner. I have two washcloths. And use a bucket of water. And then for the glass surfaces in here, you guys know I'll use the tried and true Windex with my microfiber cloth. And then for dusting, I love my little Swiffer duster, so I'll be using that.